Welcome to this short training on the Poly E450 IP phone, a powerful, easy-to-use device designed for office and medical staff who handle calls throughout the day. The Poly E450 features a large color display, programmable line keys, and an intuitive menu layout. Some models also include sidecar modules for extra line appearances.
We'll walk through the most common daily functions: placing and answering calls, transfers, voicemails, do not disturb, and call parking.
To place a call, lift the handset or press the speakerphone button. Then dial the number. To end the call, hang up or tap the end call button. To answer, lift the handset, tap answer on the screen, or press the handset or speaker button. To end the call, hang up or tap the end call button. To transfer a call, press the transfer key. Dial the extension or number to complete the transfer. For an announce transfer, press the transfer key, then tap the consolidative soft key. Dial the extension or number, wait for the person to answer, introduce the caller, and press transfer to complete. To check voicemail, press the voicemail key and follow the prompts. New messages will show a notification icon on your display. The line status indicator will blink red. If you don't want to receive incoming calls temporarily, press the D&D soft key. A red icon or do not disturb message will appear. Press it again to disable D&D and resume normal call handling. To park a call while you're on the line, press one of the available park keys. For example, park 1 or park 2. The light beside that soft key will flash green, indicating the call is parked. To retrieve a parked call, press the flashing park key from any phone with those shared park buttons. When the call is picked up, the light will turn off. After finishing a call or task, your phone will automatically return to the home screen. From here, you can adjust volume, change ringtones, access directories, or customize settings through the on-screen menu. That's it. You're now ready to use your Poly E450
Confidently for everyday communication.
For additional help or advanced setup, contact your local Paul Bunyan Communications account representative.
We're Paul Bunyan Communications, powered by the GigaZone.